So I got my book here, to-do list, what I have to do, and like I got my coffee just because it's a rainy day and I can't start this video without my coffee. Welcome to Thursday's All Things Beauty. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorites for February. So it's already March now and we are into autumn now, and I'm so excited about autumn fall season. So yeah, today I'm just going to share with you all what are my favorite skincare. So first few steps are from Sephora, and it's by Sephora, it's their own brand, and like these are the things I have been using a lot in February. So this is Sephora's Cucumber Seed Hydration Cream. So this product comes like this. It comes with 50 ml of product, and this is a very good hydration cream. So if your skin is dry, this is really good, and like it keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. So I usually apply in the morning, and like it makes my skin very soft, and also it gives that natural glow to my skin, which is really good. And like I just love this product, and like it's almost finished. It's a really good cream. You can see it instantly smooths out the skin texture, if you can see it properly, and like it gives that natural glow, which I love it. And like it has that cooling effect, which I love it. Like it's really worth buying, and I think it's not that expensive. You can get direct from Sephora, and like if this is finished, I will definitely be getting more, and this is a really good product, so do try. And the second product is also by Sephora. So it's their Cucumber Seed Hydration Eye Cream. So it looks like this. So this is same as this one. This one is face cream. This one is eye cream. It comes with 30 ml of product, and it's really good. Like little bit of this product goes a long way. Like it smooths out this area, but like it will not remove the fine lines and wrinkles which you already have. But like if you don't have fine lines and wrinkles, it will help to keep it like that. It really smooths out my under eye area. Like I don't have much wrinkles around this area, but I do have fine lines, very fine lines, but I don't have deep wrinkles around this area. So if you have deep wrinkles, it might not help, but like it will smooth out a bit, but like the wrinkles might not go away. But like you can try for every day, like morning, afternoon, so 2 times a day. If you will try, then it might help. But like if you don't have wrinkles and if you want to keep your skin like that, then you might definitely try this cream, like under eye cream. Like it will keep your under eye area hydrated throughout the day, and like it will help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And like I have used a lot of this product, but I still have so much. So like just a tiny drop like this, as soon as you apply, it gives that instant cooling effect. Like, oh my god, it dries really quickly too, and like smells so much like cucumber. I really love it. So this is a really good product by Sephora. So my next product is also by Sephora, and it's their camellia seed total detox purifying clay mask. So this is their clay mask. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful product. Literally, I'm not lying, like it does its job really well. So if you guys haven't watched my top 3 favorite masks of 2019, do watch. The video will be below in the description box. So this is literally wow, I love it. Like this is one of my favorite too. I have used couple of times, not couple of times, like maybe 10 times, but it still have so much of product here because I only apply a thin layer of this clay mask. This is really good where I apply a thin layer, it dries, and like it tightens the skin, and at the same time it helps in the removal of fine lines, wrinkles, and like it also removes dead skins from your face, and like you wash it off with warm water, and like I really love it. You may try it. You will get 100 ml of product in this jar. Like it's literally so good, and like I'm looking at my camera here screen, but like my camera is this side, so like you guys must be thinking that why I'm looking here, like I'm looking myself here, like but I have to look it there. Do try if you want to. And the next product, like we are into autumn now, but like on the other side it's spring now. So in our summer time I used this product. So these two product is so good. So this is finished, and this is a Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Very High Protection Sunscreen Lotion. So it has SPF 50 plus. So this is really good for summertime. Like it's really good for whole family, and like if you apply on your face under your makeup, it works really well too. So this is really good. It works well as a daily moisturizer. And this is Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Very High Protection Sunscreen Lotion. It also has SPF 50 plus, so it helps protect against damaging effects of sun and pollution. So this is really good for summer season, and like it was so hot, and it's still hot now. So it's autumn, it's few days in autumn now, but like it's so hot still. Last night it was so hot. Like I know spring days are a little bit cooler than autumn. So yeah, so for all of my subscribers who are from the other part of the world, who are going into spring summertime, then you may definitely try this. Like this is really good, and I have been using a lot of this, and you can find easily in supermarkets and grocery stores too. Like this product I think is sold by Coles, Woolworths here in Australia, and like it has 50 plus SPF, and in summertime we definitely need 50 plus SPF. So the next product is really good. Like it polishes your face. It's a face polish. So this is rose hip and jojoba oil face polish, smooth and restore, paraben and mint free, comes with 150 ml of product, which is amazing. And if you guys have Kmart near your home, this product is sold by Kmart, and I don't know if it's still available in Kmart or not. I bought like a month ago or few months ago, but like literally it's wow, it's worth buying. Like I think only this much of product is left here, it's all finished. Like I love it. It has that very tiny, I will show you guys, a scrubbing kind of thingy like this. Like when you rub, like it has that tiny bit of what you call thingy which you have in the exfoliators. So this is really good. So it will scrub the dead skin cells and everything from your face, and also it will like uh, clear any acne you have, and also like at the same time it will polish your skin, and like it will give that glow to your face where it looks like you have done facial in the salon. So that's how good it is, and I'm not lying, like it's really worth trying, and it's literally very inexpensive product. So I think it only costs $3, like I think $3. I've got no idea, but if you guys are following me, you should definitely know about this product. So this is literally a wow, a bomb. I will say a bomb. I will definitely be getting more from Kmart. Okay, the next product is a primer, and like literally this primer is wow, it's literally so good. I don't know how to describe to you guys, but this is really good. So this is Becca's Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. So this is like this, like oh my god, this is wow, it's so good. Like when you apply, before applying foundation, it blurs the pore and like it smoothes out your skin instantly, as if you have used the smoothing filter while taking pictures. But this smooths out the skin really well. So like it's really good for photography if you are taking pictures, and if you are going for a shoot. Like this primer is so good. Like it blurs the pores, and like I always get ready in the morning, so depends on what I'm doing during the day. So but nowadays I'm so busy, like all the time I'm doing work. So I have to get ready early morning, like every day I do that. I wake up 5 a.m. I get ready till 6 a.m. Then I go downstairs, make breakfast, and like my day begins from that 5 a.m. time. So I don't work out in the morning, but like on weekends I do work out in the mornings. But like if I have time, I do work out in the daytime. But like I don't have time these days to work out. But like I do take out time. Like I take care of my diet. That's why I look slim. But so yeah, that's how I can maintain myself. So yeah, I think this is it. This is some of the skincare products which I love, and one of the primer I showed you guys. These are some of the stuffs only I like it, but I don't have much. I have some beauty products like makeups, but I will share that in my next favorites video. So like I don't want this video to be longer than 10 minutes. I don't know. So if you guys want to see these kinds of videos, I do upload motivational videos on Tuesdays, and beauty fashion related videos on Thursdays, and also blogs on Saturdays. So do subscribe to my channel if you love these kinds of videos, and I love filming them, and I hope you like it too. So if you do, then do leave me a comment below, like my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me around on social media, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.